Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 171 Alpine Drive in Pittsford.
This is an amazing storybook Cape Cod with updates in a premier location. So let's take a tour.
This home radiates character and charm, featuring a spacious living room with a picture window, built-ins, a gorgeous fireplace, and hardwood floors, open to a dining area with crown molding, an eat-in kitchen with beautiful cabinetry and stainless steel appliances, plus a 3-season sunroom with exposed brick and patio access. The first floor also features 2 spacious bedrooms, including a master and a full bathroom. The finished lower level provides great additional living space with a bonus room, bar area, and a powder room, while the upstairs features an expansive bedroom, full bathroom, and office area.
This charming Cape Cod is situated in a storybook setting with many updates, beautiful landscaping, and a patio overlooking the private backyard. In real estate, it's all about location. This property is steps away from St. John Fisher College and nearby Oak Hill and Irondequoit country clubs, and the village of Pittsford. Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 171 Alpine Drive in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!